Good morning, dear students. Now today in the class 7 I am going to revise lesson number 1. This is number system. In number system we will deal with the 4 different types of numbers and how it can be added, subtracted, how it can be converted. This we will study today. Basically this is a revision class. I will revise all the lessons accordingly because in these 2 days it is not possible to proceed the lessons. Now the first number system in this is binary. The number of digits which is present in the number system, it will decide its base. So it has 2 digits. Now its base is 2. The number of digits present in the number system, it will decide its base. The second one is decimal number system. In the decimal number system, it contains 10 digits, 0 to 9, 0, 1, 2, up to 9, 0 to 9. Now the number of digits are 10, 0 to 9 it is 10, so its base is 10. The third number system is octal number system. Octal number system. In octal number system there are 8 digits. It is 0 to 7. Now its base is 8. The fourth number system is hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system. In this 0, 1, 2, 15. Now total 16 digits. So its base is 16. Now all the number systems are having different number values as it is shown here. I have written. And the number of digits which it contains, it decides the base of that particular number system. Now let's have some discussion over binary number system. Binary number system means how will you convert decimal to binary or the other number systems which we are having. Let's say example one number system I am taking decimal and the question is 45 base 10. This means this is decimal number system and we have to convert it in binary number system. This decimal number system we have to convert it in binary number system. So we will use regular division method. Like this 45, I will make one line here and I will make one line this side. You have to start division with 2 only. You will consider the base of the numbers. You will consider the base 2. The remainder which will come, that remainder should be written this side and the quotient which you are getting, that quotient must be written here downside. Now 2 to the 4 and 2 to the 4. you can see it is not completely divided. The remainder is 1. So you will write remainder 1. Then after again you will divide it by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Now this time it is completely divided. So remainder is 0. Number 2 you will take to divide. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10 means it is not divided completely. So remainder 1 you will write like this. Then 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Then remainder is 1. 2 1s are 2. Remainder 0. And 2 0 you will use this 1. Now you have to read this division, the remainders which you have collected, from down to top. From down to top. Now you will write it 1 0 1 1 0 1. This is the binary number for this decimal number system. Now one more example. Let's say an example, one number, some slight big number you can take, 421. This is the decimal number and you have to find the equivalent binary for this number. So 421 you will start dividing this number with 2 only. You will use 2 only. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 and 2 then 0 you will apply. Now what is the remainder here? 1. Again 2 1s are 2 and 2 5s are 10. 105 it is. So remainder is 0. 2 5s are 10 and 2 2s are 4. Now this time remainder is 1. 2 2s are 4 and 2 6s are 12. Now remainder is 0. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Remainder is 0. 2 6s are 12. Remainder 1. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Remainder 0. 2 1s are 2. Remainder 1. 2 0. This one will come. Now you will read it from down to top. So its binary equivalent is 1 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 1. This is the binary equivalent of the number 421. Now in this regard, if you want to find decimal from the binary, if decimal is given and you want to find the binary, if binary is given and you have to find the decimal of that number, then how will you do this? Now come to the next topic. Now the next is, let's say example 1 1 0 1. This is binary and you have to find its equivalent decimal number system. Then you have to count the digits which is present, 1 2 3 and 4. If 4 digits are there, you have to start it with 3. This one into 2 to the power 3 plus 1 into 2 to the power 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0. If the number of digits are 4, you will start writing the power of these numbers from 1 less than the number of digits. 1 into 2 to the 4, 2 into 2 into 2 plus 1 into 4 plus this is 0 plus this is 1. Whatever the number is having power 0, it will give you 1. 8 plus 4 plus 1. So its decimal equivalent is 13. Like this way you will convert the number. Now one more example. One 1 Let's an example. This is the number and you have to convert it in decimal number system. Again you will count the number of digits and you will start from 1 less than the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If it is 8, 1 into 2 to the power 7 plus 1 into 2 to the power 6 plus 0 into 2 to the power 5 plus 1 into 2 to the power 4, 1 into 2 to the power 3, 1 into 2 to the power 2, 0 into 2 to the power 1, 1 into 2 to the power 0. You will expand the number like this and you will start the power of the number 1 less than the number of digits. Then you will multiply this number. I am multiplying here 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 and then finally 2. 2 to the 4 to the 8, 2 to the 4 to the 8 and finally you have to multiply 8 into 8 into 2. 8 is the 64 into 2 equal to 4 to the 8, 6 to the 12. 128 plus 6 times, then 2 to the 4 to the 8, 2 to the 4 to the 8, 8 8 the 64 plus 0 plus 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 plus 2 to the 4 to the 8 plus 2 to the 4 plus 0 plus 1. The number which is having power 0, its value is 1 always. Now the numbers are 128 plus 64 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1. Now you have to add these numbers. So I am adding here 128, 64, 16, 8, 4 and 1, 5. 3, 2, 221. This is the decimal equivalent of the number. Now few more operations we can perform in the binary number systems. The addition section, which I am going to discuss with you. Now in addition you have to write the numbers one above the other and you must follow some rules. One plus 0 equal to 1, 0 plus 1 equal to 1, 0 plus 0 equal to 0, and 1 plus 1 equal to 10. This you have to follow. Why 1 plus 1 equal to 10? 1 plus 1 equal to 2, and 2 is represented in this 1 0 binary form. So this is not 10, this is 2 in binary number system. Let's begin with one question. 1 1 1 0 1 1 plus 1 1 1 1 1. One more time. You have to give the answer for this number. You have to add these two numbers. So very simple it is. 1 1 1 0 1 1 plus 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. You have to maintain the proper discipline while writing the numbers. You will maintain it from this side. Now I have clearly said that 1 and 1 it will be 10. So you will write 0 and 1 will come here. Then 1 and 1 10, 10 and 1 11. You will write 1 and you will write 1 here. Then 1 and 1 10. 1 and 1 10, 10 plus 1 11. So you will write 1 and 1 here. Again 1 and 1 10, 10 and 1 11. You will write 1 and 1 here. Then you will write 1 and 1 10. So this is the addition of these two binary numbers systems, which is given in the form of question. Now let's do something more with the next example. One zero 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 1 0 1 plus 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 1. Let's say example, this is the number. So you have to find which number is greater, which is having more digits. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Both the numbers are having equal number of digits, so easily we can put one number above the other. 1 0 0 0 1 0 1. This one 1 1 0 0 1 0 1. Now for adding we will follow the same rule. 1 and 1 10. You will write 0. Slight bigger I am writing, so it should be clear to see. 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1. We have to add 8. 1 and 1 10. 1 1 0 0 1. 1 and 1 10 0 1. Now 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 and 1 1 1 and 1 10. The same method you will follow always for addition. Now you can do some more operations in this. Today I am discussing multiplication also. In multiplication you will follow the same rule as you are following in the simple decimal multiplication. Let's say example 101 into 11. If this is the question given, 101 into 11. So you will write 101 into 11. Now you will multiply it simply as you are multiplying in decimal number system. 1 ones are 1, 1 zeros are 0, 1 ones are 1. 1 ones are 1, 1 zeros are 0, 1 ones are 1. Now the second process in this, you have to add the numbers. 1 1 1 1. Now this is the answer. The same way you will follow the multiplication as you are doing in your simple decimal number system. Let's clear with one more example. 1 1 1 0 1 into 1 1. Like this you have to multiply the numbers. So 1 1 1 0 1 into 1 1. 1 1 the 1, 1 0 the 0, 1 1 the 1, 1 1 the 1, 1 1 the 1. 1 1 the 1, 0 1 1 1. Like this we have written. Now you have to add 1 1 1 1 and 1 10 ka 0 1 1 and 1 10 and 1 11 ka 1 and 1. After multiplication you will follow the same rule as we are following in decimal. After multiplication you have to add the numbers so that it can give you the proper answer. Now students, if any doubt in this topic you can discuss with me, and I have covered 3 basic things: number systems, addition and multiplication today. And thank you for today.